Let's hope this engine stand doesn't break. Leaning off a lot. Hey guys, welcome back. I think today we're gonna work on the straight six again. We got the right bolts to put it on the engine stand. We're gonna do that, then drain all the oil out, flip it over, take the pan off, kind of have a look, see what we need to get, and I may try to slightly resurface the flywheel and kind of resurface those just a little bit, get all the glaziness off. And I'm gonna go over parts that I'm thinking about getting for the transmission as well, and see how bad the oil pan's in. So I think that's all we'll get to today. I'm getting out of it before work, and I gotta get in here pretty quick. So yeah, basically getting the engine on the engine stand, draining it, flipping it, taking the pan off, kind of give it a quick look through. Then we'll look at the flywheel and the clutch and all that, and kind of get those, see what we need with those. So kind of probably be a quick video today, hopefully. Anyways, let's get to it. I think I know what happened last time with these bolts. These bolts here are all the same size, 7/16. Just so happened that I picked one bolt and didn't notice it. That was, I guess, can't tell, it's quite a bit bigger. Should have just looked at the end of it. So I'm assuming somebody put that in the wrong spot, and I end up picking it up, thinking it's one of these, not checking it. So anyways, you live, you learn, gotta check your bolts. Anyway, let's get over here and we'll get this up and get this on that. We got it. Got it flipped upside down. It's a really heavy engine. I'm sure I'm going to have somebody help me flip it back once we get to that point. But drained all the fluids. A lot of rusty water came out. But the oil didn't look too bad. Just noticing, sure why there's washers stacked up here. We're missing one bolt, which looks like it may have been broken in there. So I might have to address that. I think what we're gonna do next is pop the pan off and kind of have a look-see-loo of what's in there. All right, here's what it looks like. Definitely some sludginess. I don't want to open these yet. We'll wait for it to take dipstick out. Need to find out which oil pump this is and get the right one ordered. Not sure. I have to clean it off and see what the inside of the pan looks like. Definitely has it needs to be cleaned out pretty good. We may go ahead and start cleaning this out a little bit. It's gonna use a lot of paper towels. Let's do that for a minute. Well, I have to get something better to cut that oil with, and maybe a little scrub pad or something. It's really gonna dig in and get under there. I might use kerosene or acetone or even gasoline, maybe. I don't know. Any of y'all know, please let me know in the comments what kind of oil pump that is. I'm gonna take pictures of it and see if I can't find one that looks like it. Onto the flywheel, I guess pressure plate. Kind of show you what I'm gonna do with those right quick. I ain't gonna grind them that much. I'm just gonna shine them up a little bit. Yeah, hope it didn't mess them up, but they're smooth and no sticky spots on them. Same with this, pretty smooth. I'm gonna get a new clutch plate. On this side, you can see it's kind of wearing unevenly. Kind of hitting here and here, not so much over here. So I had to order a new one of these. I believe it's an 11-inch. Get that ordered. I need to finish cleaning this out. I'm gonna take a picture of this, order the oil pump, and new gaskets to go all the way around. I'm not gonna break these loose yet. Check the bearings. I'll do that later, preferably with somebody who has more experience doing that than I do. But we'll check those later, see if we need to order a new set of those, which I probably will anyways, just to know I got new bearings in here. And put it all back together. Let's hope this engine stand doesn't break. Leaning off a lot. What the oil look like? Doesn't see any kind of milkiness to it, so I think it's all right. Well, we're not going to use it again, but I don't think there's any water getting in the oil. That'll do it for me. I need to get to work. I guess that'll do it for me today. Like I said, we just want to get that open and looked at. I'm gonna read my dad in here. He knows a lot more about this than I do. We'll check the bearings and see if I need to order some. I'm gonna try to get a new oil pump. Take a picture of that, see if I can get one that looks like it. Hope it doesn't mess up the flywheel and the what was the pressure plate, or anyways, mess up that by kind of knocking the nastiness off of it. But kind of a short day here in the garage. I really want to get this engine buttoned back up and at least put back on the stand. I don't like how it's sitting on this engine stand. It's way too heavy. Anyways, thank you for watching me this far. Next time we'll probably hit the Bronco, get a little bit more done on it, and then we'll see about the engine if parts come in or if Dad comes up. Anyways, thanks, and I'll see you next time.